how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Clark, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So let's start our video. In this video I will tell you how we buy a grinder machine from Daraz. So I go to mobile screen. So first of all you have to install the Daraz app in your mobile from Play Store or Google Store. After that, install the application. You have to open it and click here to search how we buy it. So in this video I will tell you how we buy a grinder machine. Grinder machine, you have to click here, we have to click here to see a lot of grinder machines from Daraz. You have buy on different prices, low prices, high prices, and different types of grinder machine. So I click on anyone, so I click on this one. 2-in-1 juicer machine, blender jug plus small grinder, standard quality 7025 motor installed with 4-month warranty. Its original price is 7,000, but it's 57% off to its price is 2,999 and 832 sold and 165 is like. Top rated 4.7 rating and free delivery from 8 Feb to 23 Feb. You have to see this in this images. This images 4.7 rating, 43 photos, view all 181, good quality, satisfy price, fast deliveries, fine work, wonderful value, cooperative seller, best speed, outstanding blender, good use, amazing product. You have to see this in this picture. You have to see this. We have a lot of images from these products and 191 reviews and rating is very good, 4.7 rating. You see this, we have a lot of grinder. You see this in this video. So I click one more for you. Rechargeable juicer machine. Rechargeable juicer machine, mini portable 380 and 380 ml juicer blender machine. 6 blades USB electric juicer. Its original price is 1900 but 22% off. So its price is 1480. 81 products sold and 27 likes. Free delivery from 17 Feb to 21 Feb. Portable use juicer blender. Juicer blender. You see this so beautiful for watch in a different colors. You have to buy this. Click here to buy now for this. Buy this product. We have 4 photos for this product. Wow, very good experience, really awesome. As I need seller send me same as advertised. Pic से ज़्यादा cheap product है, highly recommended. Thank you so much seller for sending me good product. You have to see this in this positive reviews. So you have to buy this from Daraz. I a lot of product Daraz from Draz, you have to see this in a different price or different stage. Thanks for watching us. So please subscribe my channel Technical Clark and share it with your friends and also click on bell icon. Thank you.